Okay, so now it is time to put the string for the hoodie. Today we've got a little bit of sunshine here through the clouds. It was very cold yesterday. We had rain. We're in the middle of the winter now, but everything the season already changed now. I think it was on the 21st yesterday. But in any case, it's still cold. So the string we're going to put now for the hood. So it will go through the two buttonholes here. And then what we'll do is we'll put these tips or plastic ends when we're finished. So the tool that I'm using is this thing. It's called a bodkin. You get different kinds. This one is for string, and then you get others that's for lint and that, or ribbon they call it, ribbon as well. So the idea is just to put it like this, and then it's got a little end that you slide forward to hold it in place, and then we're going to put it through the one buttonhole here, and we just work our way through like this. You can use paper clips and all kinds of other stuff, but I can tell you now, paper clips don't work. These bodkins aren't expensive, so it's better just buy a bodkin for yourself, and if you are going to do this type of work, and then your life is much easier. These other things of paper clips and that type of stuff doesn't work. And then, and in any case, you're going to use it for when you put the elastic also, for pants and stuff. So it just goes through on the other end, and there it is. So now I take it off. So it's finished now. Now we're just going to put the tips. You can make the string as long as you like, but normally I don't like them that long. They must just, when you have the hood on, they must at least hang a few centimeters. Let's say about 20 centimeters down, more or less. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert the ends now. The tip, just cut it here straight. What I also do is I use a lighter just to burn the ends here a bit and flatten them a bit. It's just easier to work with. Just be careful because it can get hot. And then our tips. Now the tips go in this way. Yeah. They go in that way. Like that. And then I sort of decide how long I want it. Let's put them more or less here. So what I do then is I just make a knot. You can make it by any length you like, more or less. As long as it doesn't pull through the tip, I just make a knot there. So that one is fine. You do the other one. Put the tip in. you find the strings are too long, you can just make them shorter. They don't need to be that long in any case. I think I like this length better. So let me do the knot here. You can have a look and see how other people are doing their hoodies and what length they make their hoodies. But I think this is fine for now. Let me see here. This one looks a bit, I think the length is sort of fine here. And here as well. Let me put it in there. I'll just pull it through so that it's more or less straight like that. I think that should be fine. And then what I do is I just clip them again around here. This one as well. Just use the lighter to burn them flat there. This way place as well. Move them inside there, and there they are. So there they are, nicely done. Our strings for the hoodie. It looks good. Okay, so fairly easy. And the tool that I use is this bodkin with a little ring and the slide that goes forward like that. Yeah, so today is a lovely day actually. There's no wind today. I think it's around 15 degrees maybe Celsius. But yeah, so in the next video we're going to put the label, and then we'll just do a short video on the rounding of the hood. Okay.